Good evening, investors. Affix trader from GoldMedalPennyStocks.com here tonight, and I want to talk to you about the stock chart for TLTFF, Theralace Technologies Incorporated, which is an OTC markets traded stock. So let's start from the top down and start with the RSI. So the first thing I want to point out here is that you'll notice both the 14-period and 5-period RSI have reached the oversold category below 30. Now, with that said, there's a lot of room for this to correct to the upside before it reaches the overbought category above 70. You're starting to already see both indicators kind of correct to the upside. They're both starting to curl back up, and that's a good sign. It shows that strength is coming back. Now, you'll notice that the 5-period RSI is more volatile because it has less time data and it moves quicker. So we're looking to see this 5-period RSI cross above that 14-period RSI to the upside, and that will be a bullish signal as far as the RSI indicator goes. So watch for that crossover and watch for both of these indicators to cross back above 30 to get out of this oversold range because it needs some upside correction as far as I'm concerned. Now, working down here, you'll see that this 32-cent area has been a critical resistance, and there are a lot of averages and other indicators at this range right now. So the 32-cent area is really the first area that I can see as a actual resistance on this chart. You'll see that the parsar is at 32 cents. We've also got the 13-day exponential moving average at 32 cents, previous resistance at 32 cents. So when we break this 32-cent range, we're going to see the parsar flip below the price per share, which is going to be giving it a buy signal. We're going to see the 13-day exponential moving average breakout indicator lighting up. And we're also going to potentially turn this 32-cent range into a support versus being a resistance. Now let's talk about our current support levels. So at 0.271, today's low, and Friday's as well, we tapped down and got a double bottom here. Now, we bounced very strongly off of that twice now, and we saw a close today above, and today is, by the way, Monday, April 14th of 2014. We saw a close today above Friday's close, so we saw a nice green action here today, following a downtrend, as you can see here. So we got our doji candlestick today, and basically what that indicator means is indecision. Now, when you see that at the end of a bearish little downtrend like this, it generally means a reversal. And we're also seeing it on increased volume. As you can see here, our volume today was higher than it had been on Friday, and higher than some of these other previous red days as well. Now, with that in mind, it seems like people are starting to accumulate this again, and are looking for a move back up, a nice little rebound as we hit this double bottom and tested and held it. So keep your eyes open for that. Now, it's also important to notice that we've managed to maintain this golden cross that we've had. Our 50-day simple moving average is still trading above that 200-day simple moving average, and we've got momentum. As long as that is above that, we should be in good shape. Now, moving down a little bit here, you can see that the Williams %R, another short-term momentum indicator, is kind of starting to spike up as well. And it's currently in the oversold range and looks like it needs some correction to the upside as well. So watch for this to bounce. We want to see this come all the way back up to the overbought range. It's a very, very volatile indicator. It bounces really quickly. So when some momentum comes in, this will be one of the first indicators to turn. So keep your eyes on this Williams %R. We want to see a nice spike up here. Now, another thing worth pointing out is that during the downtrend, we saw the accumulation indicators kind of point down. Now, what's worth mentioning here is the fact that they've both kind of straightened out, the accumulist and the OBV. The OBV is actually spiked back up a little bit, starting to curl back up, whereas the accumulist is kind of just flattening out here. Now, it's showing that accumulation is kind of starting to trickle here. Also, the CMF had been trending down. It's now flattening out and starting to curl back up as well. We're starting to see people accumulating on this dip here. People are starting to buy shares again and look for a rebound from the looks of things. So, all in all, it seems like most traders at TLTFF right now are looking for some sort of rebound. A lot of the short-term momentum indicators are lined up and just ready to break out. So keep your eyes on TLTFF. Good luck trading, and keep in mind that this is not any suggestion to buy, sell, or hold a security. This video is for entertainment purposes only because I'm not a financial professional. Thanks for watching.